my more for asthma, I just want to give a quick demonstration on how easy it is to bleed the PCB grade. If you come here, I'll show you what we've got. We've made just a little fixture to actually hold the lever, where we've used an old handlebar stem. We've just cut to size, clamped it, makes it nice and easy to do the job quick. Here we've put a little fixture together, something to hold the caliper itself and something to hold the waste bottle. First thing to notice is there is some oil in the bottom of the waste bottle. This is very important. Okay. Okay, I think we're ready to go. I've already taken the lid off this PCB system, so you're not going to see that. Obviously, the first thing to do is put some oil in there. It's worth noticing this as well. This is just a standard bottle I've brought just from a local DIY shop, squirty bottle. It just makes life nice and simple. Obviously, if you've got a PCB bleeding kit, you can use that. Need to fix this. Okay, so first thing to do, again, I've got to do something you don't normally do in aftermarket. I have to fit this aluminium washer. This is actually a seal, but once it's installed, it's there for life. So you won't be doing that in the aftermarket, so don't worry. PCB tool. Okay, this doesn't need to be too tight. You just basically need to lock it. That's it. Okay, hang that back up there and put the pipe and make sure that it goes down into the oil. Okay, back up to here. Okay, the way I like to do it is just literally bleed like this and then pump the system through. Okay, so I just continue adding water. Sorry, adding oil. It will take a few pumps to actually get the system to start sucking properly because there's so much air in the system. But if you actually look at the waste bottle, you'll see air is coming out because you can see the bubbles going into the waste bottle. Okay. Okay, now she's sucking. Okay. Okay, can you just zoom out and catch the air bubble coming out as well? Okay, so you can see the air bubbles coming out now. Okay, Minda, if you step back a bit, please, and then get the whole image. Okay, so you can see all the air coming out in the pipe here. Keep pushing it through. Okay, and now you can actually see the oil is starting to clear. There's still air in it, but it's a lot clearer than before. It's no longer milky. Take a look. Okay, there's still one or two little minute bubbles in there. Okay, and then go come out again. Okay, that's it done. Put the lid back on. Obviously make sure this seal sat down nice and properly. I generally tend to overfill at this stage. It gets a little messy, but for me, on the production line, I don't really care about the oil going around everywhere. Okay, when you're tightening these screws up, obviously you must remember that these are self-tapping screws going into plastic. So you do need to exercise a little bit of sense when you tighten up. You don't want to be over tightening these because it is quite easy to pull the threads. But just using the end of the span of air, that is enough to seal the system. Okay, once that's closed, you can then take this off. And remove this, he said. Okay, now at this stage it's actually very important to keep the caliper below the level of the lever, which is why I've just taken it off the fixture. Okay, unscrew there. Looking for the Allen key. Okay, so I need to find out where it is. Oh, wrong size. Ah. No. Anna? Ah. No. Aha, thank you. I hope you don't include that lost Allen key as part of my timing. Okay. Okay, on this you do need to make sure it's quite tight, so again, that kind of load is sensible. That's it, the PCB is bled to clean. I'm now looking for an insert to actually go in to check the air. Anna, do you know where the plastic part is for here? Okay, for us on production, we'll insert one of these and then we can just check. You can see it here, the lever's solid, there's no air in this system. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.